Good evening, friends. Welcome back to the stock odds. Today we'll see another stock selection which I've made, which I'll be trading tomorrow if my plan works out. So let's see what is the plan and why I've selected this stock for trading tomorrow. This is a very good option for intraday as well as swing because it has cleared various number of criteria today. So let us see one by one. So let us go to the monthly chart. So you can see clearly this stock has been going up and down. It will be trending for a year and it will be trending down. Anyway, it will be trending only. Like only few, uh, 1 year or so it was going sideways. Other than that, all the months, years it was going either up or down. This is a very good news-based stock. So this stock is nothing but Vedanta. So if I draw a trend line connecting the top, you can see a top has been formed, and this is the bottom. So it's like currently it's like a semi channel and a semi triangle pattern. So let's go into the weekly, and this RSI is like monthly RSI is above 65, so it's a very good sign. So let's go into the weekly time frame. So if we check the weekly time frame closely, now you can see like it's kind of forming a cluster here. So you might be confused like what is happening there. Still we can zoom in and we can look closer. We'll find another trend line. It has been forming in the top. So this is the weekly chart, and the weekly RSI is also very strong. That is also above 62. And let's go to the daily time frame. So now is the reason why I have selected this stock for intraday tomorrow as well as swing. If you can see this stock, it has made a top here on 10th May, and then it has been like continuously like slowly gradually falling down, and recently it fell down and again recovered and again tested these levels like 275 levels, and again it fell down. The reason why it fell down is like we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see it has been following this trend line, and like due to last week's gap down, like continuous gap down because of the global markets scenario, so the stock broke this trend line and it fell down like up to 255 levels. Still it is able to recover like almost 20 rupees from there, like almost 10%, nearly 10% it has recovered, and it is currently trading at the levels of 272. And mainly the one reason you have to see here is like in the daily time frame you can see it is a very big red candle here, and the next day itself it formed a gap up, and then it continuously moved up. So what we can see from this is like all the sellers here in this candle, they are continuously like trying to escape from this candle, like they are short, and they can't escape because the expiry is also near, like only 2 days is there for the expiry, and they have to cover their short. So ultimately this three candles, it's like a three soldiers, like what you call as a candlestick pattern. So it has been formed like a short covering rally, and once if you go to the like the 15-minute time frame, you can see clearly the volumes it has generated today at the last 15-minute candle. Because I think the news also came like it has given a very good result. So at the time there was like a drastical movement. It was like almost a gap up from 270 levels to 271 point level, and it tried to push high, and due to this resistance at 274 levels it came down again. So another important thing we have to see is it has formed this pattern. So you can see this is a inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, and this is your head, and this is your right shoulder. So this is a bullish head and shoulder pattern. So from this, if it gives a breakout, I'm sure it will give a breakout tomorrow, because the results are really good. You may wonder like why I'm selecting the stock which are giving only the results, like which are in the news. So that is one criteria I look for, because I look for only the momentum stocks currently, and this is also a news based season, earnings season. So it's very helpful, like we have to make use of this season. That's why I select these kind of stocks during this season. So once it breaks this level, sorry, it will go like up to here, not by tomorrow or I know within the week, but surely it may reach this level by next month. But our target for tomorrow is, and our entry and target for tomorrow is, I'll tell you in the 15-minute chart. So this is the 15-minute chart. So we'll enter once a strong 15-minute candle is formed tomorrow. We'll enter at 274 point like 5 or 270 on the break of 274, say. Our stop loss should be like below this. You can keep it below the day high or below this 272.5 levels, and you can expect a target like 281 levels by tomorrow itself. But I'm expecting a gap up tomorrow for sure. It will be like around 275. If it opens too high like 277 levels and all, you have to wait and see the price action. If the price is like moving sideways a bit after the gap up, and then you have to see the price action and you have to enter and keep the stop loss below the low of the day. Or if it is opening here, you can enter at the 274 levels and keep the stop loss at 272.5, and you can trade here. This is my plan for tomorrow. If this trade goes as per my plan, I'll take this trade. Let's see what happens. Thank you once again, guys. Good night.